Today we have a Honda Odyssey, no spark. Tidy inside. How many Ks? 221. It's not too bad. Straight. And we're going to change the coil pack distributor, and because all the cylinders are all full of oil, which would have caused this here to fail because it would have been sparking and arcing out. We're going to change that, so we have to find top dead center, take this one off, and the part we're going to change it with is that one there. Plug and play basically. And we're going to give it a clean up and see if we get spark back. And yeah, right, see you in part 2 once I've taken the bits off and changed it back.